here we have the replacement part for the jet burner. This is the Mushroom Pilot short version, available in natural gas or propane. For more information, you can contact at Imperium Restaurant Equipment LLC in Brooklyn, New York.